The Retroid Pocket 3 Plus Metal Edition gaming handheld will go on sale on June 17th. The Retroid Pocket 3 Plus Metal Edition is an upgraded version of the Pocket 3 Plus launched in 2022. It comes with a metal case and Hall effects joysticks amongst other features. It is heavier than standard model by 50 grams. It weighs 285 grams mainly through the metal case. The Pocket 3 Plus was announced last November and featured a 4.7-inch display with a Unisoc Tiger T618 chipset. It has 4500 mAh battery and 4 GB of RAM. These features were all retained in the refresh handheld. The nature of the metal casing used was not disclosed. As per the higher weight of the metal edition, it's about 24% increase over the standard model. The use of a metal case provides a premium feel to it. The inclusion of Hall effects joystick is another improvement for the standard model. It provides improved accuracy and elimination of drive shaft errors. The price of the Pocket 3 Plus Metal Edition is $179, which is $30 more than expensive than Pocket 3 Plus.